Hello, everyone.
Welcome back.
I'm Lucy.
And I'm Tom.
How are you today?
I'm fantastic, thank you.
Today, we have something special.
Very special.
We're going to teach you a method that will change how you learn English.
It's called the chunking method.
This is so powerful.
Let's begin.
So, Tom, what is chunking?
Great question. Let me explain.
I'm listening.
Chunking means learning groups of words together.
Groups of words.
Yes, not single words. Groups that go together naturally.
Can you give me an example?
Of course, instead of learning the words I and would and like separately,
Yes.
you learn I'd like to as one piece.
Oh, as one chunk.
Exactly. One chunk ready to use.
That's interesting. It's like learning a phone number.
Tell me more.
Well, you don't remember a phone number as 10 separate digits.
That's true.
You remember it in groups, like 555-234-6789.
Perfect example.
Your brain remembers patterns and groups better than individual items.
Yes. And that's exactly how chunking works for language.
So chunks are phrases that naturally go together.
Exactly. Native speakers use these chunks all the time.
Without thinking about it.
Right. We don't say, I would like to, word by word.
No, we say I'd like to as one smooth piece.
That's chunking.
So why does this method work so well?
Let me explain the problem first.
Okay,
Many students learn individual words.
right. They memorize word lists.
They learn I means I, want means want, coffee means coffee.
Yes, I see this all the time.
But then they struggle to put words together quickly.
Because they need to think about grammar rules.
Exactly. They think, do I say I want or I am wanting?
So much thinking.
It's slow and difficult.
I have a student named Maria.
Tell me about her.
Maria memorized 1,000 English words.
Wow, 1,000.
But she couldn't have a conversation
Why not?
because she learned words, not chunks.
She didn't know how to put them together.
Exactly, she knew I and like and coffee, but couldn't speak naturally.
What did you do?
I taught her chunks.
Which chunks?
Simple ones like I'd like to and can I have and would you like.
And what happened?
Within 2 weeks, she started speaking more naturally.
That's amazing.
She could finally use all those words she knew.
Because chunks are ready to use immediately.
No grammar thinking needed.
You just add what you want after the chunk.
So much easier.
And you sound more natural.
Like a native speaker.
Let's teach some useful chunks.
Great idea. Let's start with request chunks.
Request chunks help you ask for things politely.
Everyone needs these.
First chunk, I'd like to.
I'd like to.
Use this everywhere. At restaurants, at shops, at work.
I'd like to order pizza.
I'd like to buy this shirt.
Perfect. Next chunk. Can you help me?
Can you help me?
So useful.
Can you help me find my keys?
Can you help me with this problem?
Another great chunk. Could you please?
Could you please?
This is very polite.
Could you please speak slowly?
Could you please open the window?
Excellent. Next. I need to.
I need to.
I need to go now.
I need to buy some milk.
Simple and clear and can I have?
Can I have?
Use this at restaurants and shops.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have the bill?
One more. Would it be possible to?
Would it be possible to?
This is very formal and polite.
Would it be possible to change my appointment?
Would it be possible to get a refund?
These 6 request chunks are so powerful.
You can use them every single day.
Now let's look at social chunks.
Social chunks help you talk with friends and make plans.
First one, would you like to?
Would you like to?
Would you like to have dinner with me?
Would you like to watch a movie?
So friendly. Next, how about?
How about?
How about meeting at 6?
How about trying that new restaurant?
Great for making suggestions. Another one, it's nice to.
It's nice to.
It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to see you again.
Very warm and friendly. Next, I'm going to.
I'm going to.
I'm going to visit my friend tomorrow.
I'm going to study English tonight.
Perfect for talking about plans and do you want to?
Do you want to?
Do you want to come with me?
Do you want to get some coffee?
Casual and friendly. Last one, let me know if.
Let me know if.
Let me know if you need help.
Let me know if you can come.
These social chunks help you connect with people.
Build friendships and make plans.
So now we have 12 useful chunks.
6 for requests. 6 for social situations.
But how should students practice these chunks?
Excellent question. Let me share my method.
I'm listening.
First, choose 5 chunks to learn this week.
Just 5.
Yes! Don't try to learn all 12 at once.
Start small.
Exactly. Write your 5 chunks in a notebook.
Write them down.
Then say each chunk 10 times out loud.
Out loud is important.
Very important. Don't just read them silently.
Your mouth needs to practice.
Yes. Then make 3 sentences with each chunk.
So you practice using them.
Right. For example, I'd like to eat pizza. I'd like to watch TV. I'd like to sleep now.
3 different sentences.
And here's the most important part.
What's that?
Use these chunks in real life.
Real conversations.
Yes. If you learn, can I have, use it at a cafe.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Exactly. Real practice is the best practice.
I have a student named David.
Tell us about him.
David used this exact method.
What did he do?
He learned 5 chunks every week.
Good pace.
Week 1, he learned 5 chunks. Week 2, 5 more chunks, but he also reviewed week 1.
Perfect.
After 1 month, he knew 20 chunks.
20 chunks.
And he could have basic conversations naturally.
That's wonderful.
He told me it was like magic.
It does feel like magic.
But it's just how your brain naturally learns.
Let me show everyone the difference between learning words and learning chunks.
Great idea.
Imagine you want to say you want coffee.
Okay,
Learning word by word, you think, I want. No, wait. I would like. No. I'd like to have coffee.
so slow,
So much thinking.
but with chunks.
You just say, I'd like to have coffee.
Smooth and natural.
No thinking about grammar.
Just speak.
That's the power of chunks.
You sound fluent immediately
Even as a beginner.
because you're speaking like native speakers speak,
We use chunks all the time.
without even knowing it.
So let's review what we learned today.
Great idea.
Chunking means learning groups of words together.
Not individual words.
Your brain remembers patterns better than single items.
Chunks are ready to use immediately.
No grammar thinking needed.
You sound more natural and fluent.
We taught you 12 useful chunks today.
6 request chunks and 6 social chunks.
I'd like to. Can you help me? Could you please?
I need to. Can I have? Would it be possible to?
Would you like to? How about it's nice to?
I'm going to. Do you want to? Let me know if.
To practice. Choose 5 chunks this week.
Write them down.
Say them 10 times out loud.
Make 3 sentences with each.
And use them in real life.
Next week, learn 5 more chunks.
But always review your old chunks.
In 4 weeks, you'll know 20 chunks.
And you'll speak so much more naturally.
This method really works.
My students love it.
Mine too.
Start today with 5 chunks.
Your English will improve so fast.
We believe in you.
Great job today.
You learned something powerful.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.